Recently, I got some brand new laser cut stainless steel cooking grates for my Lone Star Grill's 20x42 offset smoker. And today we're going to give them their first cook with some chicken wings. Now yesterday I cleaned off the grates and I did a burn off just to get any manufacturing greases or oils off of there. And in just a little bit, these chicken wings are going on. Now I patted these dry. We're not going to do any sort of overnight air drying in the refrigerator, which is something I commonly do because we're just going to do an easy cook today. And the rub I'm using today is hot habanero from Backyard Barbecue because we want to kick things up a bit. So we're just going to give these a good dusting of this rub. Got a little bit of a kick to it. I'm going to be smoking these with a little bit of hickory today at kind of a higher temperature for the smoker. It's probably going to be between 350 and 400 degrees, which is great for wings. Just try and get a little bit of smoke flavor on them with that hickory. Have I mentioned these are going to have a little bit of a kick? Man, you can kind of see it in the color of this rub. Whenever I get a new grill, one of the first things I like to cook on it are ribs, but for a new accessory like this, which is just replacement grill grates, I don't know, I think chicken wings are pretty good. And the reason I replaced the grates was nothing wrong with the previous ones. They're the expanded metal, very common, but I wanted something with a smoother surface, and Lone Star Grills does offer these, so I bought them. They're not inexpensive, so I know there are going to be a lot of people who say, oh, I could make something like that. Well, I can't, so I bought them. And they should last a long time. They're very well made. In my experience, Lone Star Grills makes quality stuff. All right, I probably have enough heat on these right here. Let's get them out to the grill. All right, we have that nice hickory smoke rolling. It smells great. Let's get our wings on. You can see this nice surface on here, just smooth except for the openings. None of those ups and downs of the expanded metal. And again, the expanded metal works fine. I just wanted to get this, and it's actually two separate grates. There's one for the bottom and one for the top. I just have the bottom in today because that's all I need. Put our drummies closer to the firebox, generally, and our flats a little further away. I don't have any water in the cook chamber today, so I want that skin to dry out. Now let's say that I'm too close over here and I want some more space. That's what I like about this smoothness. I can just slide these over and they don't really catch. We're going to close this up, let these get smoking, and we'll come back in 30 minutes and just give them a check. All right, we've been going for 30 minutes. I want to check the temp on these, especially on the drummies, and I want that to be 175 and above. Those look really good. So I can get a temp over here on some of our drummies. See, that one's showing 164. Let's get a flat. That's probably going to be higher. Yeah, 173, if you can see that. So I want these to go for another 15 minutes, and then I will check the temp again. We've been going another 15 minutes. Let's check our wings. I'm pretty sure they're going to be ready to taste. Get a check over here. We're going to see if you can see this right here. That is 180. So we are good. Now, it may seem anticlimactic here that I'm just cooking wings on a new grill grate to test them. I mean, it's not really a new recipe or anything I'm doing, but I do like to do that when I get a new accessory, really just to kind of see how it works. And this works great. I also love that it already has that sort of smoky patina on it, not the shiny stainless steel the way it came. So this is looking really good. But let's have a taste, and I'm going to try one of our flats. Let's see. How about, let's try this one right here. So I think this is going to be hot both in temperature being fresh off the grill and also in that spice. So let's see. Definitely has a kick, but man, what great flavor. Super juicy too. And I really love smoking wings on the grill like this. You can do them many different ways. Heck, you can do it the same method on just about any cooker. But I do like the offset because you get to spread them out like this, and it's just fun to cook.